2002 Laredo 25 foot with the rear living, storage, lots of windows, dinette slide, a booth, more storage, entertainment center, pantry, oven, microwave, more storage, sink, bathroom, storage on the outside, sink on the outside, toilet, more storage there, shower, and a walk-around queen bed.